Imagine waking up with the sunrise stretching across an empty horizon, the road ahead shimmering with possibility, and the quiet hum of freedom right at your doorstep. That's the feeling the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome delivers. Not just travel, but a new definition of lifestyle. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a passport to the world, a command center for adventure, a rolling piece of Italian passion built for people who refuse to live an ordinary life. From the outside, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome looks like a supercar stretched into a masterpiece of grand touring luxury. Its sleek, sculpted body follows Ferrari's classic design language: sharp lines, flowing edges, and a low aerodynamic profile that slices the wind like a blade. The signature Rosso Corsa paint glows under sunlight with an intensity that turns heads on every highway. Up front, you get an aggressive grille inspired by the Roma, while the LED matrix headlights sweep back like eyes focused on the horizon. Even as a motorhome, it carries that unmistakable Ferrari stance, dominant, athletic, and ready to leap forward. And whether you're cruising coastal highways or tackling light off-road routes to reach hidden campsites, it maintains stability and confidence, almost as if the road bends out of respect. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world where racing heritage meets private jet luxury. The interior is wrapped in hand-stitched Italian leather, carbon fiber trims, and soft-touch Alcantara surfaces that feel like they belong in a $300,000 sports car. The living area opens up with a power-sliding lounge fitted with reclining captain chairs, a floating LED ambient lighting system, and a panoramic roof that invites the sky inside. The kitchen is compact but premium, complete with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and marble-style counters. Behind that, a plush queen-size bed sits in a cozy bedroom framed by warm lighting and acoustic panels for perfect nighttime comfort. Even the bathroom feels boutique. Glass shower, rainfall head, heated mirrors, and enough space to refresh like you're staying in a luxury suite. Now, Ferrari didn't stop at luxury. They brought performance too. Under the shell lies a hybrid V6 powertrain inspired by their GT models, delivering smooth, assertive acceleration and a driving feel far more dynamic than any motorhome has the right to offer. The electric assist provides silent, effortless cruising through campsites or city streets, while the gasoline engine takes over with power when you hit the open road. Handling feels tight and precise thanks to adaptive dampers and Ferrari's advanced traction system, making mountain curves and long stretches equally enjoyable. Despite its size, it never feels intimidating, only empowering. Technology wraps around you at every moment. A central 15-inch curved infotainment display manages navigation, climate, and entertainment. Adaptive cruise control, 360-degree parking cameras, and lane assist systems make long-distance travel relaxed and secure. The premium Ferrari sound system turns any journey into a private concert, while onboard Wi-Fi, satellite internet, and smart home-style controls ensure you're always connected, even miles away from civilization. For energy-conscious travelers, the hybrid system and roof-mounted solar panels deliver impressive efficiency, reducing fuel stops and environmental impact. It's eco-friendly, cost-friendly, and adventure-friendly all at once. Expected to start around $650,000 to $800,000. The price reflects not just the badge, but the unmatched fusion of craftsmanship, performance, and pure freedom. It's a luxury apartment, a touring machine, and a statement of independence all in one. So, imagine this: mountains on one side, the ocean on the other, the world wide open in front of you, and your Ferrari Motorhome waiting to take you anywhere your adventure calls. This isn't just travel, it's life on your terms. If you're ready for the ultimate journey, the road is waiting. And Ferrari just gave you the perfect reason to follow it.